our super firecrackers. Let's open it. One little boxes have 30 pieces. We have foam on the bottom to protect the firecrackers. You can see the firecrackers is very small, but the sound is really loud. Let's check. Let's throw it on the ground. We change another way. Throw it into the wall. Let's see. Nice! Let's try the third way. I'm standing here. The height is around 1 meter, and I let it go to see it works or not. Wow, it works! Do you like our super firecrackers? Please be free to tell us if you have any interesting ideas to play it. See you next time!